So we are going to learn in today's lecture some of the important facts that which media you should follow actually. Okay, so let us see first of all how you should view any particular government. Okay, so how should you view any government? So you should view any government with suspicion. Okay, what does it mean by you should view any government with suspicion? You should view any government with suspicion simply means that शक की निगाह से देखना चाहिए हर सरकार को. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ यू शुड लुक विथ यू शुड लुक एट एनी गवर्नमेंट विथ सस्पिशन. द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इज दैट शक की निगाह से देखना चाहिए हर सरकार को. ओके, सो दिस इज द viewing any political party as angel or devil is simply a wrong concept. Okay, so those who are the followers of BJP will say that BJP is angel, other parties are devil. Okay, those who are the supporters of Congress, they will say that Congress is angel, other parties are devil. Okay, so actually this is not a true, this binary of angel and devil. Okay, this particular binary, let just a second guys, there is a lot of disturbance of vehicles over here. Let me close the window first. Okay, so I have closed the window now. So see, this particular binary of angel and devil, this binary is simply a wrong concept. Okay, so follower of XYZ party will say that all the other parties are actually corrupt or culprit or they are villains like that. Okay, so any party is not angel or devil. This binary is in itself a wrong concept, that this party is angel and this party is devil. This concept is in itself a wrong concept. Okay, so government of any political party is either of the following. Okay, so government of any party I am saying, so it is either relatively good. Okay, three types of government are possible in any country. In any country only three type of governments are possible. Okay, relatively good government, relatively bad government, or extremely bad government. Okay, so only three types of governments are possible in any country: relatively good government, relatively bad government, and extremely bad government. Okay, so let us see. But government of no political party is extremely good. Okay, so the government of no political party around this world in any country, whether it is developed country or developing country or underdeveloped country, the government of no political party is extremely good. This is true not only for India but other countries also. Okay, this is true for India also and other countries also. Okay, so government of no political party is extremely good or idealistic and perfect or doing social service. Okay, so no government is extremely good or idealistic and perfect or doing social service. Okay, so you will never find such a government. Okay, because everyone goes into politics for their own benefits. Okay, very few people are there who go into the politics for social service. Okay, only 0.001% politicians might be there who go into the politics for social service. Okay, even this is true for civil services also. This is true for civil services also. Okay, a majority of people want to become IAS because of power. Okay, because they want power. A majority of people want to become IAS because they want power. Okay, so they have no relation to the common man. Okay, they have no empathy for the common man. A majority of the UPSC aspirants, they want power, that's why they want to go into the IAS service. Okay, but there are some few exceptions to this, that 0.001% IAS officers or IPS officers, they are really into the service for social service. Okay, they are really into the job for social service. Okay, so such people are very few. Okay, in every country I am saying, every country, everywhere, those who want to go into the bureaucracy and want to do social service, those people are very few. Okay, most of the people want to go into the bureaucracy just for power. So similarly in politics also, majority of the people want to go into politics just for their own benefit. Okay, they have no relation to the common man, they have no empathy for the common man, they want to go into politics for their own personal purposes. Okay, so that's why no government is extremely good or idealistic and perfect and doing social service. So no government is like that. Okay, that it is an extremely good government, idealistic and perfect government, and this government is doing social service. Okay, this type of government is not possible in any country. Okay, in no country this type of government is possible. Okay, so this is true for all countries, whether it is developing country or developed country. This is true for all countries. Okay. Now, which media to follow? Which media to follow? I am telling you. As far as UPSC exam is concerned, read Indian Express and The Hindu. Okay. So, as far as UPSC exam is concerned, you should read Indian Express and The Hindu editorials. Okay. I am not talking about political stuff. Okay. As far as UPSC exam is concerned, you should read Indian Express and The Hindu editorials regularly. Okay. So that will help you fetch a good marks in UPSC. There is no escape to reading newspaper. Okay. In UPSC examination, there is no escape to reading newspapers. You have to read newspaper. Okay. Every day without any failure. You have to read it every day. Okay. So as far as UPSC exam is concerned, read Indian Express and The Hindu. These two newspapers are important for clearing exam. That's why you have to read them. Okay. So these are important, very much important for clearing the exam. In fact, it is seen that those who don't read the newspapers daily, they only read the coaching magazine. Okay, Shankar IAS magazine or some other current affairs magazine. Those people who read current affairs magazine only and do not read the newspapers, they are at a disadvantage. Okay, those people who do not read the newspapers and only read current affairs magazine from Shankar IAS or some other institute, those people are actually in disadvantage. And Shankar IAS current affairs are useful for environment and ecology only. Shankar IAS current affairs are important for your environment and ecology only. For other type of current affairs, you need for polity current affairs or history current affairs or some other current affairs, you need I think Vision IAS booklet is very good for that. Okay, I think Vision IAS booklet is very good for that. Okay, so these are the media which you must follow for UPSC examination. Okay, for focusing on the UPSC examination. Okay, but if you really want to improve your intellectual level, if you want to know the truth, okay, if you want to know the truth and you want to improve the intellectual level, then in that case follow the following media. Okay, but please note that the following media are not at all relevant for UPSC examination. First of all, I am making this very clear to you. Okay, I am making this fact very clear to you. Indian Express and The Hindu are relevant for your examination, UPSC examination. Okay, but the following media which I am naming, these are not relevant for your UPSC examination. Okay, these are just to improve your intellectual level and just to make you a good citizen. Okay, these following media which I am naming right now, these are just to make you a good citizen and improve your intellectual level. Okay, so let me name the media. So NewsClick YouTube channel you can follow for improving your intellectual level. So NewsClick YouTube channel, The Wire YouTube channel, Ravish Kumar official YouTube channel, Visar Sharma YouTube channel. These are unbiased media actually. So NewsClick YouTube channel, The Wire YouTube channel, Ravish Kumar official YouTube channel, Visar Sharma YouTube channel. Okay, Dhruv Rathi YouTube channel, The Deshbhakt YouTube channel, Sohit Mishra official YouTube channel, Shyam Mira Singh YouTube channel, Punya Prasun Vajpayee YouTube channel, Sakshi Joshi YouTube channel. Okay, The Telegraph, an English newspaper. Okay, The Telegraph is an English newspaper from Kolkata. Okay, from Kolkata there is an English newspaper called as The Telegraph. You can read that. Okay, if you want to know the truth, if you want to know the very truth and you want to see honest journalism, then you should follow The Telegraph. Okay, it is an English newspaper. Then Journalist Urmilesh is again a YouTube channel. Ajit Anjum is again a YouTube channel. Anundiyo Chakravarti is again a YouTube channel. You can follow these channels in order to improve your intellectual level and improving your democratic principles in your life. Okay, improving democratic principles, improving intellectual level. Okay, improving empathy for others. Okay, so these channels are important for those things in order to make you a good citizen and a good future bureaucrat. Okay, in order to make you a good citizen and good future bureaucrat. It is simply not true that these are Congress or leftist media. Okay, this fact that some people say that these are Congress media, these are leftist media, some people keep saying all those things. Okay, so it is simply not true that these are Congress or leftist media. The thing is that as 99.99% media has become corrupt, That's why those who are doing honest journalism are looking as if they are odd men out. Okay, the thing is that 99.99% media has become corrupt. That's why the press freedom index ranking of India is very bad. Okay, the press freedom ranking of India, why it is very bad? It is very bad because 99.99% media has become corrupt. Okay, the press freedom ranking of India, why it is so bad? It is even below Afghanistan. In one of the years, it was even below Afghanistan. After Taliban took over Afghanistan, the rank of Afghanistan came to the lower side of India. Okay, when Taliban did not take over Afghanistan, during those days, the press freedom index of Afghanistan was better than the press freedom index of India when Taliban was not there in Afghanistan. But as soon as Taliban took over Afghanistan, the press freedom index of Afghanistan dropped. Okay, even below India. So the thing is that 99.99% media has become corrupt in India. That's why those who are doing honest journalism are looking as if they are odd men out. Okay, those who are honest journalists, they are looking as if they are odd men out. Why are they being seen as odd men out? Okay, because they belong to the 0.01% minority media. They belong to 0.01% minority media. That's why they are looking as if they are odd men out. Okay, but they are honest in fact. Okay, so it is not simply true that it is Congress or leftist media. The channels which I named to you, they are not Congress or leftist media. They are just unbiased media. Okay, I can show you the proof. Before 2014, all these journalists were doing serious discussion on Congress policies. Okay, before 2014, the journalists which I named you, these 14 channels. Okay, the journalists belonging to these 14 channels. Okay, the journalists belonging to these 14 channels, they were doing honest journalism even before 2014. Okay, so even during Congress days, UPA period, they were doing honest journalism and they were doing serious discussions on Congress policies. Okay, so they are in fact unbiased media. They are what? They are unbiased media. I can give you the proof in fact. Okay, go to NewsClick YouTube channel and in video section, go to the NewsClick YouTube channel and go into the video section and select oldest. Okay, there are three options to select. Okay, in Android there are three options to select: oldest, newest and most popular. Okay, in video section there are three options: oldest, newest and most popular. So select the oldest. So go to NewsClick YouTube channel, in video section select oldest. You will find NewsClick intellectual videos of the year 2009. Okay, so you will find NewsClick intellectual videos of the year 2009 when it was 2009 Lok Sabha election. So when it was 2009 Lok Sabha election, you will find the intellectual videos of that time, of 2009 time. Okay, in NewsClick channel, if you select the oldest column, okay, you will also find discussions on India's foreign policy during those days. Okay, so you will also find discussions on India's foreign policy during those days, that too without shouting and in a silent way. Okay, so they will not shout, they will be very much silent, they will be discussing in a serious manner. Okay, so you will find discussions on India's foreign policy during those days, and that too without shouting and in the silent way, without without hero worshipping the government. Okay, without doing hero worship of the government, they will do all those things in without shouting and without saying anything absurd, and in a very silent manner. Okay, so in an unbiased manner. In those days 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so in those days 90% media was doing its work properly. In those days 90% media was doing its work properly. That's why alternate media didn't become popular during those days. So in those days NewsClick didn't become popular. NewsClick or any other such media platform during the UPA period, it didn't become very popular. Why it didn't become very popular? Because 90% media was doing its work properly. That's why all these news platforms on YouTube, they did not become very common. Okay, although in those days also 10% media was corrupt. Okay, in those days also, in UPA period also, or any other government previous to UPA. Okay, Atal government or any other government previous to that. Okay, so in all those government, 90% media was doing its job, 10% media was simply doing TRP scams. Okay, 10% media, what was it doing? It was simply doing TRP scams and shows on spiritual gurus. So the 10% media which was there, it was doing TRP scams and shows on spiritual gurus. Okay, so that is the thing. Okay, even Indian Express and The Hindu were doing their work properly during those days, unlike today where they are compromised too. Okay, so Indian Express and The Hindu, they are compromised actually. Indian Express and The Hindu in today's India, Indian Express and The Hindu are compromised. Okay, but in those days, they used to work properly. Okay, so that's why alternate media did not become very common in those days, because Indian Express and The Hindu were doing their work properly. Indian Express, The Hindu were doing their work properly. Aaj Tak was doing its work properly. India Today was doing its work properly. Okay, ABP News was doing its work properly. In fact, Punya Prasun Vajpayee belonged to ABP News, right? Punya Prasun Vajpayee belonged to ABP News, and NDTV was doing its work properly up to the year 2022. Okay, so up to September 2022, not September, I would say rather August 2022, we can say. Okay, so NDTV was the last pillar which fell. Okay, NDTV was the very last pillar which fell down. So NDTV was doing its work properly up to August 2022. After August 2022, it also became the Godi media. Okay, so after August 2022, even NDTV is gone now. But before August 2022 and up to August 2022, NDTV was doing its work properly. So even Indian Express and The Hindu were doing their work properly during those days. Okay, so NDTV was the very last pillar to fall. Okay, NDTV was what? It was the last pillar to fall. NDTV was the last pillar which fell in the very last. Okay, so Indian Express and The Hindu were doing their work properly during those days, unlike today where they are compromised too. So that is the thing. That's why alternate media in those days did not have any value. Okay, Reporters Collective, all those things did not have any value in those days. Why all these things did not have any value in those days? Because the mainstream media was doing its job properly. As the mainstream media was doing its job properly, that's why the alternate media did not have any value. The alternate media did not have any value of its own, because the mainstream media was sufficient to show the truth. But in today's India, the truth is not at all shown to the people. Okay, so that is the thing. So thank you very much. If you have physics as your optional subject, if you are new to this channel and you also have physics as your optional subject in UPSC, then certainly you can watch the nuclear and particle physics playlist, which is going to come at the end of this video in the form of end screen. Okay, in the form of end screen, one playlist will appear which is nuclear and particle physics for IS physics optional. So you can certainly watch that playlist and enjoy the series. Thank you very much.